Bitcoin breaks $80,000 barrier, fueling Moonvember rally. Pepe Unchained nets $26.6 million as whale buying spree intensifies. Pepe Unchained, PEPU presale. With solid demand for $PEPU, investors are clearly positioning themselves ahead of the token's major exchange listing. Last updated, November 11, 2024, at 18:37 GMT+2. Acting Editor-in-Chief, Gary McFarlane. Acting Editor-in-Chief, Gary McFarlane. About author. Gary McFarlane is the acting editor-in-chief at cryptonews.com. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated, November 11, 2024, at 18:37 GMT+2. Why trust Cryptonews? With over a decade of crypto coverage, Cryptonews delivers authoritative insights you can rely on. Our veteran team of journalists and analysts combines in-depth market knowledge with hands-on testing of blockchain technologies. We maintain strict editorial standards, ensuring factual accuracy and impartial reporting on both established cryptocurrencies and emerging projects. Our long-standing presence in the industry and commitment to quality journalism make Cryptonews a trusted source in the dynamic world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Pepe Unchained, $PEPU, has raised $26.6 million in its presale as Bitcoin, $BTC, hits a new all-time high near $82,000. In what is being dubbed a Moonvember price explosion for crypto, the crypto market has now entered full risk-on mode, with the greed and fear index approaching extreme greed territory. As a result, the total market value of all cryptocurrencies soared by $150 billion to over $2.75 trillion on Monday. Sector-wise, the meme coins saw the biggest buying frenzy, pumping 18.5% in the past 24 hours, from $73.69 billion to $87.33 billion. On a per-token level, the sector's rising star, Pepe Unchained, continues to steal the show, adding $1.6 million in just 4 days since its last milestone. Pepe Unchained's latest explosive fundraising round is driven in part by another major whale buy, pushing its total funding close to $27 million. With solid demand for $PEPU, investors are clearly positioning themselves ahead of the token's major exchange listing. Those who haven't yet participated can still join the presale and secure $PEPU at $0.01249. However, in less than 14 hours, the price of $PEPU will increase as a new funding round begins. Bitcoin at $100,000 is now a possibility. What does it mean for Pepe Unchained and other meme coins? When Bitcoin first breached $20,000 back in 2020, the idea of it reaching $100,000 seemed like wishful thinking. As crypto critics would argue, it's nothing but a bubble, just another tulip mania. After enduring several crypto winters and facing scandals that shook the entire industry, Bitcoin has, indeed, defied the naysayers. With its recent price action, the $100,000 milestone now feels more like an imminent reality than a far-off dream. The six-figure digit target come against the global backdrop of low interest rates, providing rocket fuel for a possible Bitcoin moon ride, while historically post-election periods, as the crypto dev notes on X, have often served as the phase of a cycle for the top crypto to reach new all-time highs. While some may view Bitcoin as too pricey to consider at this point, Wealth Squad's Chris pointed out on X that future generations will likely look back in disbelief, lamenting how today's generation was able to buy Bitcoin below $100,000. Much like how today's generation complains about boomers buying property at much lower prices back then. As Bitcoin reaches for these heights, the effects are trickling down to altcoins, as investors seeking accelerated returns often turn to altcoins. And it is altcoins in the meme coin sector that are probably the ones to watch most keenly. In fact, meme coins are currently all in the green, outpacing Bitcoin's gains. Dogecoin, $DOGE, is up 23% in just the past 24 hours, while Shiba Inu, $SHIB, has jumped 13.9% in the same time frame. Benefiting from Solana's ascent to the $100 billion club is DogWifhat, $WIF, which has risen 23.12%. But for the most massive gains, it's often the newer tokens that take the lead. And there's nothing newer or more impactful right now than Pepe Unchained. In just 4 months since its presale stage began, the token has already raised more than $250 million. Whales believe that Pepe Unchained is the ticket to surpass even the gains of its sector. Pepe Unchained whales are making their presence felt with increasing frequency, as large buys are becoming the norm for the project. In the first 11 days of Moonvember, Pepe Unchained has already seen substantial whale participation, far outpacing last month's activity. Just last week, a whale purchased $6 million worth of $PEPU, approximately $77,000, while the week prior, another whale acquired $2.2 million PEPU for $27,000. Over the weekend, the latest whale purchase was a $4.6 million PEPU acquisition, valued at around $63,000. Ethereum transaction hash, SASH, details Etherscan. Whale buys carry significant meaning, particularly in signaling smart money flow. These purchases indicate that investors with greater financial resources, often including investment funds with deeper market insights, are placing sizable bets on a project they believe holds substantial potential. The fact that whales are backing Pepe Unchained at this early pre-sale stage suggests strong future prospects, positioning it as the potential moon ride that crypto investors are looking for beyond Bitcoin and the mainstream ones in its sector. What whales are excited about Pepe Unchained? Whales don't enter a pre-sale merely due to FOMO. In recent weeks, Pepe Unchained has announced new key updates highlighting its upcoming Ethereum L2 chain, which is designed to address Pepe token ownership's current limitations. In October, the project launched its developer grants program and showcased a preview of this L2 chain in action. More recently, on November 7th, Pepe Unchained unveiled its meme coin launchpad, set to rival Solana's Pump.fun, and positions Ethereum as the new go-to chain for meme coin launches. Solana has become the preferred platform for meme coin projects due to its faster, cheaper transactions compared to Ethereum. However, with Pepe Unchained's meme coin launchpad, Pepe's Pump Pad, Solana's dominance could witness its twilight. Pepe Unchained promises to offer up to 100x more transaction capacity than Ethereum, with perhaps the lowest fees possible in the market. This makes it ideal for the high-frequency and low-cost trading requirements of meme coins. What further sets Pepe Unchained's launchpad apart is that it effortlessly taps into its mimetic power, thanks to its distinct Pepe flavor. These are just a few reasons analysts and crypto influencers are increasingly bullish on Pepe Unchained's potential. In the video below, Austin Hilton shares his thoughts on how $PEPU could perform once listed. Are you ready to join the Pepe Unchained presale? Here's how. To purchase $PEPU, visit the project's official website. Connect your wallet and exchange $PEPU for ETH, USDT, or BNB. Credit card payments are also accepted. With comprehensive audits from 2 leading firms, Consult and SolidProof, you can rest assured that the project's code is free of critical issues. Developers eager to build on the Pepe Unchained L2 chain can now apply for grants. Simply fill out a quick form on the website, and you'll receive a confirmation email. The Pepe Council will review applications regularly and award grants to the most promising projects. For the latest news about Pepe Unchained as it makes its way to the $27 million milestone, join its community via X and Telegram. Visit Pepe Unchained. Follow us on Google News.